Pond peeps, what's happening? Hey, I'll tell you what's happening here. We're building a turtle pond today, and I can't wait to get started. This is a really cool, small project. Only gonna take us maybe 2 days to do, but I'm gonna show you guys how we do it. Guys, the homeowners have 3 turtles. They're the 3, what do they call them? Musketurtles, the 3 musketurtles. And that's what they call them. They're only about that big right now each. So we're making a home for them over here. Check this out. Okay, the first thing we got to do to this job is clear the area and make it so that we can build something there. There's about a half a yard of gravel covering the area. So they're clearing that out, then they're going to start digging. Okay guys, we just got back from running and getting a little bit of material. They've got the overall shape of the pond in. They're only about half dug, so they're gonna keep going at it for a little bit longer, and then they're gonna tweak their shape just a little bit more. We gotta fit a filter at each end of this pond. We're gonna have a biofalls filter at the top over here, and a skimmer filter down there, and that's gonna house the pump. So they gotta make it the right shape, the right proportions, to make that work the best it can together. Pond peeps, it's the very next week. This pond just took a couple days. It's settled in already. The turtles are already in there and they're happy. Of course, we can't find them at the moment. It's starting to get a little cold. It's that time of the year. Hopefully we can show you what they look like. The dogs love it. And we're gonna give you a close-up of the pond and the waterfall. Check this out.